Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. So today I'm going to be turning this bargain charity shop desk into a galaxy themed desk for my daughter's brand new bedroom. So it's got a little drawer at the bottom, we've got a couple of shelves on the left hand side with a cork notice board and one shelf on the right hand side. And would you believe that this was only £5 from the charity shop? Such a bargain. So keep watching to find out what I've done to this. First step is to give it a light sand all over to try and get rid of some of the scuffs that are on it, as well as some of the dodgy paintwork, and also to give something for the varnish to stick to. Now the sanding's complete, we're going to give it a good wash all over with some sugar soap. Now it's all dry, we're going to add the first layer of black paint, which is just a simple wood paint. So here we go. So that is the first layer of paint complete. So as you can see, it's still quite see-through and gappy with the white bits shining through. But I'm just going to paint the inside bits pink, which is the same colour as the ceiling in this room. Colour is actually one of my favourite colours. It's Faramble's Sulking Room Pink, and it's absolutely delicious. So we're just going to paint the drawer pull-out first. This probably need a couple of layers, and then we're going to do the inside of the desk as well. Here we are, that is the first layer of all the paints complete, so we just need to wait for this to dry and then I'll add a second layer on shortly. Woohoo! And this is how it looks after the second layer. So I'm really happy with how this has turned out. Next we're going to paint on the galaxy mural onto the worktop.